All right, good morning. We are on the record in People versus Martin David Hodges. I have several files to read. So, in chronological order, we have 23-0056 FY, we have 23-0057 FY, and 23-0249 FY. May I have appearances for the record, please?
Thank you, Your Honor. Jeff Brodowitz on behalf of the people.
Thank you, Your Honor. Jonathan Foreman, Office of Public Defender, here with Mr. Hodges, who's appearing from the Ingham County Jail.
Okay, thank you. And Mr. Hodges, files are set for a review. How would you gentlemen like to proceed this morning?
I believe at this time, Your Honor, there will be an unconditional waiver to circuit court. There has been an offer made on Mr. Hodges' cases, which I can put on the record if the court would like.
Thank you. Actually, did we do appearances?
We did, Your Honor, and
Okay, thank you.
we're here for preliminary examination this
We are
morning.
here. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Foreman, is that an accurate statement that there would be an unconditional waiver of the preliminary examination?
It is based on an offer that's been made, Your Honor, which I think Mr. Brodowitz is in agreement with. That offer is that he will be pleading guilty in CTN 23-1926, which is case number 23-0249 FY, which he'll be pleading guilty to one count of possession of methamphetamine, with the balance of the charges to be dismissed, but with forfeiture of all seized properties on all files. But that is what we wish to do here this morning. Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, Mr. Hodges, sir, you understand that you have a right to what we call a preliminary exam. And a preliminary exam is a preview of the prosecutor's case against you. It's not the full case, but it sort of gives you an idea of some of their evidence. And you have a right to have that exam. There are advantages and disadvantages to you to holding that exam. Have you had an opportunity to discuss this with your attorney?
Yes,
Okay. And do you agree with your attorney's statement that you wish to unconditionally waive that exam?
yes,
And you understand that if you unconditionally waive that exam, you won't be able to come back later and say that you wish you'd had this hearing.
yes.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you to get you to waive this exam?
No,
Did anyone make you any promises other than what's in the plea agreement?
well, no.
Okay. Is it your wish to unconditionally waive this exam?
Under circumstances, yes.
Okay. So I find the waiver knowing, voluntary, and understanding. So this matter will be, this exam will be waived. Bond conditions, would you like to address those, Mr. Foreman?
No, not at this time, Your Honor. We just asked that this court rule that the case will be bound over circuit court.
Okay. Attorney Brodowitz, anything before I say the magic words and send it up to circuit?
Nothing, Your Honor. I would say that what Mr. Foreman said was a complete and accurate representation of the plea agreement.
Thank you. Okay. So, Mr. Hodges, sir, best of luck to you. And this matter is now waived up to 30th Circuit Court for further proceedings. Thank you. That is all for this record.